Hello, what's going on, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing something that I have been waiting for quite some times, maybe a week. And today I'm going to be unboxing this beast right here and connecting it to my iPad. And I'll just maybe put on some protection and some accessories. So, what should I do next? What should I say? Let's get cracking on. So here it is, the box of the AirTag. And honestly, it looks pretty good. And I actually engraved my own name onto the AirTag. So it's pretty cool. Wait, oh my god. Wow, Apple. One Apple Park Way. Wow, wait. So 2021. And look at this. It's made. This is made. On the 4th of September. 2023. So that's cool. AirTag 1 pack designed by Apple in California. Apple.com. Assembled in China. Yep, it requires iOS or iPad OS device with the latest version. And if you guys don't know, no one in my family has an iPhone, but I only have an iPad. So, that's what I'm going to have to work with. So, yeah. And it looks pretty cool. You can read everything back there. And this is actually pretty cool itself. So, what should I say? Let's get cracking on. Okay, guys, so it's about time to unbox this beast. So this AirTag right here, and as you can see, there's this little pull tab right here, and let's do it. So this is how you unbox an Apple AirTag, isn't it? So you just pull. Oh, can you hear that? Ah, yeah. This is so cool. And let's open this thing, shall we? Ooh, look at what's inside. There's a little pull tab, another one inside. This is so cool. Oh, Apple AirTag. Wait, let's see what's left in the box real quick. Wait. Whoa, it's the manual. Okay, there's paperwork, I don't care. Let's see the AirTag. So this is pretty cool. AirTag in the middle, you know. And opens one side. It says update to the latest iOS or iPad OS. Turn on Bluetooth, then pull tab. Update iOS, okay, whatever. Oh my goodness. Look at this AirTag, it looks so good. And look at this, read this. Hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. Ooh, look at this beauty. Let's see. Wait, I'm not going to actually pull it yet. Ooh, the engravings look so cool. They actually did a really good job on this. Okay, let's put it aside for a second. I'll put it back here first. And then I'll take a look at the accessories first, shall we? This looks so good. Okay, so the first thing I got for it is this leather strap right here. Oh god, sorry. I'm shaking right now. And of course this is not OEM. I cannot afford the real one. It's so expensive. It is $35 and this AirTag is only $29. It costs us more than the AirTag itself. So I'm gonna pull this foam out and look at this. It looks so good. And this is, I have more. So this is actually my next one. It's an AirTag case. It's like a hardcover. So let's open it together, shall we? Woo. Ooh, look at this. It's like a twist case. So wait, let me see. How do I open this? Okay. Oh, wow. That's actually a pretty cool idea. Oh, that's cool. It comes apart like this. And it goes back perfectly. And it actually comes with a strap too. So that's cool, if I say so myself. And I have more. This is another leather strap. And it's blue too. It looks so good. I actually have more, but it's coming from China, so God knows how long I have to wait for that. So yeah. And look at this. Pulling the foam out. Ooh, this thing looks so good. It's blue. I think this quality is a bit better than the leather one though. Yeah, I'll let you compare that by yourself. And the last thing that I have for my AirTag is the protector. It's just a little, I think it's hydrogel protector for my AirTags. Looks so cool. And I think I'll put that on off camera. And I'll just tell you later. So, yeah. Let's, I guess, connect it to this. Let's go. Okay, guys, so I think it's time to pull the strap and connect it to my iPad. So, first, let's go into my home screen. Yes, guys, that's my home screen right there, my iPad home screen. So, let's see here. The satisfying noise. Okay, wait, can I not? Wait, let me, yes, okay, good. Now, okay, I think I prefer flash. Yep, let's see. Oh my, okay, look. Can you hear it? Ooh, look at that. Ultra wideband. Bluetooth LE. Assembled in China. Designed by Apple in California. Ooh. Look, that's my name, guys, if you want to know that really bad. And let's pull it. 3, 2, wait. Let me focus. 3, focus. Camera, focus. Okay, why won't it focus? Okay, good. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's really hard. Oh my god. Did you hear that sound? Is it gonna connect? Oh my god. I never saw that coming. That looks so good. AirTag. That is cool. Wait, let me just, so you can see it a little better. I don't think that's helping, but okay. Oh my god, you're gonna see me now. Okay, it's very reflective. I guess let's click connect, I guess. Oh, yeah. Now it's letting me choose, so what do I want for my AirTag? So, right now I actually don't know what should I do. But right now I think I'll just put it as like my, oh, for the sake of it, I'll put it as a custom name. So, this is my name. It's not actually GPS, so I'm just gonna say tracker. Continue. Let's see what emoji I want to. Wait. Continue. Okay, wait. Please do not look at my thing. And yep, I know that it's a crime. Okay, you can see my phone. It's linked to your Apple ID, intended solely on tracking your belongings. AirTag is detected victims. I agree. Oh my god, it's connecting. This is the beauty right here. Oh, there's a sound too. Wow. Here's like the thing. Let me just capture my... Wow. It's gone. It's okay. Find my app. Let's see. Wait, can't... Oh, it's right here, bro. Okay. Let's see. Directions. Go.
Starting walking directions.
This is actually pretty cool. Now, shall we try this? Maybe? Let's see. It's already open. So, let's put this right. I don't want to scratch this thing up, so... Wow. Okay, guys, so I found out now that I was doing it wrong. And you actually do this, then you twist it to the left, and it comes out. They actually give you Duracell battery C2. This is pretty cool. The C2 battery. Then you just... Okay, guys, so I'll be showing you now. Wait, I'll be showing you now how to put it in this plastic case right here. So let's see. So I'll just... How do you even... Okay. Okay. This is harder than I intended to be. So here it is. And here's my AirTag. I forgot to introduce it with the new film right here. It's not the best job I've done with films, but it's good enough. So here I put the AirTag in here, and then do this, and ooh, this looks good. It looks fancy. It looks. Oh, I forgot to click. Ooh, it looks good. It looks spanking new, actually. And the thing that it comes with this, I still don't know how to use it though. Wait, is it this? And then how am I supposed to do this? This? Wait, no. I don't think this is how you're supposed to, use this. Wait. Okay, I'll figure it out later. So, yeah. So, here it is. And I guess this is my ending cue to this new AirTag that I just got. So, yeah. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And please leave a like and subscribe. And turn on that notification. And goodbye.